There's a heat wave in Greece, so we're gonna need something refreshing. And I went to the fishmonger and found this nice piece of tuna.
So ceviche it is?
Absolutely, it's ceviche. And I think we're gonna make a sesame tuna ceviche here. This is about 400 grams of beautiful tuna. I just froze it overnight so we are sure that everything's safe. And now we're gonna slice it up in slices this thickness. And then we're gonna cube it so we get some like equal sized cubes, but be careful. This meat is so soft and fragile, so you have to really be gentle with it. This size will be perfect for our ceviche. For this version, we're also gonna need some cucumber. We're gonna dice it more or less the same size as the fish. Down the middle. And down the middle. And there we go. 10 nice little cubes. And straight into our fish, we add the cucumber. It's gonna be very refreshing. Already smells good. Beautiful. And then we are gonna add some lime juice. I'm not sure how many we're gonna need here. Definitely 3, but we'll see. And again, as always, don't squeeze them too hard because then you get the bitterness from the white, I don't know what you call that lining in the limes there. A light pressing here. They're very juicy. I might even only have to use 2. Well, 2 seems to be enough. That was quite juicy. Then we're gonna add some sesame oil. I would say 2 tablespoons maybe 3 even, because we love sesame oil. A pinch of salt. And then some red crushed chilies. And last but not least, some roasted black sesame seeds. That's mostly for decoration. They're not that flavorful. The flavor comes from the sesame.
Sesame oil, yeah, but they look so good.
And all we do now is give this a thorough mix so everything gets coated, especially the fish with the lime. And you can see it's already starting to cook because it's lightening up. Now we're going to cover this with some plastic wrap and we're going to leave it in the fridge for half an hour. The lime has done its job and the tuna is cured. It smells amazing. The sesame scent here is perfect. So let's plate this up. We can make it look pretty here in the middle. Oh, that's a pretty plate. I mean, this is a plate you can serve and people will think you're a Michelin chef. A little bit more juice on top here. Maybe 1 more spoon. That looks nice. And we're gonna decorate it. A couple of slices of lime. And we have a pretty sight. But I'm gonna taste it straight up because I've been making this and I've been waiting. Exactly, so a little bit of tuna, cucumber. That's bloody fantastic. This is really good ceviche. So you can look forward, love.